Hi Grandma, welcome to my bedroom. Today I'm going to show you how I fly airplanes. Now no, these are real planes. Not actually, but they're designed to look real. Their designs are awesome. Live at my bedroom. Here we are. Live at my bedroom. To show you how I fly airplanes. You guys have the freaking afterburner, for God's sake. It's a very low agility aircraft. Oh, come on, don't tell me I got a low speed. So here we are. We're flying along. We're actually flying here. Dude. My mistake. Nice. Take a look at this old girl. Yeah. You're looking at the CR-42 Falco. Probably one of the very first, the plane that I flew is definitely one of the first. The PO-2 is definitely a first airplane. The PO-2, I don't know exactly about it. And never mind that hot looking chick on the ring of my airplane, okay? That's not mine, okay? The Falco is an awesome plane, although its engine has a tendency to stall on me while I'm flying. It broke out and I couldn't even fly it, so. You're live in my bedroom. And apparently, there's a video. Too close to the TV, so we can't see the back at the top of the screen. Aim it down at it. We're gonna fly it, the Falco. Oh, jeez, it's crooked. Ha 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 ha. It is just a stupid sheet of paper. Diesel, watch your language. Apparently, I'm gonna have to fix something here. So I'm just gonna cut.